Are your orders on Sonic driver not showing, or are you having any kinds of tracking issues on the application? First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down through your notification center and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of errors regarding your internet. However, if the app is still not responding correctly, you want to simply force close the application and you want to open the website again. If you are using the application, you can do the same over there as well. It should fix most of the problems. However, if you are still facing the problem, you want to log out of your account and into your account. By doing so, if you had any problems with your account, you'll be able to. And if you are still facing problems on the Sonic application, it might be that it's your device's fault and not the app itself. So what you want to do is simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.